That's another art attack scrapbook completed. And do you know what? They're all full of your art attacks. And they're brilliant. Take a look at some of these. Now, Katie has gone for an interesting mottling effect on this abstract painting. I really like the clever combination of cold colours like blues, greys and purples. And Aaron's wonderful portrait has been finished off with two wide eyes surrounded with wax crane lashes. I wonder if it's a self-portrait. And Eben's fiery mask would be great at a fancy dress party. So how did you do it, Eben?
I made a mask shape from card and then glued on cardboard shapes. Next I painted it bright colours to create a sort of Aztec mask.
Yep, great art attacks. And you know, I love that style. It's very bold and simple. And the Aztecs had another great style, a carving style where they used to carve masks, statues, trinkets. And you know something? The Aztecs carved into wood and stone. The Architects carve into soap. First, you need a bar of soap. Now, you can use any type of colour. I'm going to use this round one here. Then, using a sharp pencil or cocktail stick, just sketch your design into the soap. Now, I'm just going to use a very sort of Aztec-y style face here. And just keep it simple. You don't want anything too fancy. And just press the pencil in. Feels really nice to do this, you know. And it goes there. I'll put an eye on there, like that, and another one there. And I think I'm going to do a sort of miserable mouth with some teeth in it. It's quite easy to do this. There you go. Now, when you've done your design, you need something to carve into the soap with. And the best tool for this is a lolly stick that's been cut off at an angle. See that? There's my lolly stick, and I've cut one off at an angle there. And if you use scissors for this, be very careful when you do it. In fact, it's always best to get someone else to do that sort of thing, isn't it? Now, you also need a few sharp pencils for this. In fact, if you find anything lying around your house that's good for this, do let me know. And just start carving. And when you're carving, it's just a case of dragging the soap away from your drawn lines, just very carefully. And as you go in, just take the excess bits away. You can always put them on another block. Stick them in the shower, I say, and just go round your drawing, carving all these chunks out like that. Quite a slow process, takes some time, and when you've done the whole thing, you'll end up with something that looks like that. Quite miserable, isn't it? But really authentic. Now, when you finish your carving, you could add some final decorations if you want to. Just add a dab of water to the centre of each eye. It goes there and there, just to make it sticky. And then you can pop on a couple of sequins there, like that, or little bits, tiny bits of beads or jewellery or whatever. There, just make sure it's stuck in. There it goes. And there it is. Good, isn't it? Your Aztec soap carving. And you can do lots of different types. You could even try more complicated shapes. And you could use different colours. And you can even use big bars of soap. Look at that. And don't forget, you can check out the website for fact sheets on this and all the other art attacks in the show. Try it yourself. Aztec soap carving. And I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!